walking on a tightrope. Getting in the way of a three blaze, motherfucker might go ham. You was talking that fight talk. Damn, nigga, running for your life though. Hit a ring, ring on the ring, now motherfucker might go mad. You ain't never on mic though. And I'm about to go psycho. Think you wanna roll with the balls, I don't like you. Chances, you ain't never fight no savages, you don't like those. Put a chainsaw to your brain, dog, motherfucker might go mad. That motherfucker might go man, nigga, motherfucker might go.
Go insane, ice cold blooded killer, thriller, killing Mike. Caught a pain, sinister, suicidal. See, I sent for simple sensations. I sight's not the same. Spiteful to spite, foolish wants and needs. Coolest trying to be free and find shit to y'all. Who is y'all to me? Food I'm trying to eat. Seen they moves from keeping cool to copy, please. Losing not for me. How you get clowned by a rookie? You coward and cowards can't push me. I'm pushing for power and pussy. You pussy and powerless. Bullets done showered and shook and been shocking and spinning. They blood like a tropical typhoon. Dog got a beam when I ride through all. They gon' see me pop on they team. He bomb double beam when the head clean off of you. Quan she on my daughter's fiends. Get y'all crossed out, crossing me. See y'all thoughts cloud Halloween. When I pop out, noggin leaking. No Anki, it's barrel on the Glock. You seen I'm feeling fair when no rhyme. Reason and bang bang. Or they dope can't take any more fade. Taking control, chain straight, but I throw pulling strings on a chainsaw blade. Got you walking on that tightrope.
Getting in the way of a three blaze, motherfucker might go ham. You was talking that fight talk. Damn, nigga, running for your life though. Hit a ring, ring on the ring, now motherfucker might go mad. You ain't never on mic though. And I'm about to go psycho. Think you wanna roll with the balls, I don't like you. Chances, you ain't never fight no savages, you won't like those. Put a chainsaw to your brain, dog, motherfucker might go mad. That motherfucker might go man, nigga, motherfucker might go. I'm about to lose my grip, show you what happens when I pull like this. Dancing with the devil, let me move my hips. You ain't never seen a motherfucker move like this. Tough crowd when you think I left the room like this. Chain don't see the whole room like that guy talking that pew might get you. Long talk to your pew like make a dog bark with some booze like this. Damn, booze my shit. With the right set and the right hips, you can point. I don't care who I hit. Real ball when they crew like 6 turn 6-6 and a 3-3 and a real ball turn a real light bitch. He real dead, he ain't realize it. Got a real splitter, split your dome. Hellbound, bound, hell to punch a ticket, get you home. Same story, different chrome, different hunters, same story. Done 'em. Dogging them long before the chainsaws in them. Used to want bomb bitches, now I'm dropping bomb bitches. Flawless bras on my wish list. Maki Ma, she might get this. Fuck you mean? Might just call me feel the way I drill a team. Crimson shading covers every surface when I get the beam. I don't need a milli, bitch, I'm walking with a different lead. Phone it ain't the only thing you answer when you hear it ring. Feeling ill, you fucking with a G. Now G's are always in the front, so listen, youngin', when you fuck up, that's the guillotine. I don't need the Smith & West to blow you in the smithereens. Show a little chest to bet your penance on a killing spree. Walking on a tightrope. Getting in the way of the three blades, motherfucker might go psycho. Talking big talk, then you wonder where your life go. Brawling with a killer like me, I don't like your chances. You don't want me, I'm a savage. Messing with a killer like me, I just might go mad, I just might go manic. See me on the scene and your life gon' vanish, little bitch.